Look at our incredible PPE floor marking tape. It's a high-quality substitute of PVC floor marking tape, using for marking areas on the ground to prevent accident. We have 10 colors available in stock. Here is the comparison of PPE floor marking tape and the PVC one. This old one is made of PVC. It's easily to fade, stretch, and it is not rewindable. Only fixed size can be purchased. But this new arrival has the innovation of PET film. It has more shiny and waterproof surface. It has perfect adhesion, no residue, without stretching or hardening in winter. It's soft all year round. It's easily to stretch. High anti-scratching, no color fading, and what's more, it is completely rewindable with 1300 meters length jump rope. Fast delivery with customization available. Welcome inquiry.